Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, displaying the battery percentage on a device offers users greater control, awareness, and peace of mind when it comes to managing their device battery life. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, click on notifications menu. Well, and then here will appear some notification settings on your device. Okay, and then to show the battery percentage, you can select Advanced Settings. Well, after that, activate this option, Show Battery Percentage. Okay, and then now the battery percentage on your device is successfully displayed on your screen device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.